Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials. Today, we're diving into the world of Python programming. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or just curious about what Python is all about, this video is for you. Let's get coding. We're going to make a simple application that asks for your name and prints a greeting. Open your Python IDE or a text editor and type the following code. This is a simple Python script. Ask for the user's name. Name input, what is your name? Print a greeting. Print hello name, welcome to Python programming. This script starts by asking for your name. It then prints a greeting combined with your name. To run it, save the file and press the run button in your IDE. Python syntax and basic constructs. Python's syntax is straightforward. For example, it uses indentation to define blocks of code instead of curly braces as in other languages. Let's look at a few basic constructs. Variables store data values. For instance, age 25. Data types Python supports various types like integers, floats, strings, and more. Control structures include if statements, for loops, and while loops. Here's a quick example using a for loop. Print numbers from 1 to 5. For I in range 1, 6. Print I. This loop prints numbers from 1 to 5. Notice how the print statement is indented. That's how Python recognizes the code block. Why learn Python? Python is not only powerful but also easy to learn, making it a great choice for beginners and professionals alike. Its vast community and libraries allow you to do almost anything from creating websites to AI algorithms. That's a wrap on our Python introduction. I hope this gives you a good starting point for your programming journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Drop your questions or what you'd like to see next in the comments below. Happy coding,